The Pixel 10 lineup is coming, and guess what? It looks exactly the same. But before you flood the comments, let's break down what's actually changing. Google's sticking to the familiar Pixel 9 design, but for good reason. The camera bar, still here. The dimensions, almost identical. But the biggest surprise? The base Pixel 10 might finally get a triple camera setup. That means a dedicated telephoto lens, something fans have been asking for forever. The Pixel 10 and 10 Pro are the same size this time, making it easier to pick based on features, not form factor. Meanwhile, the Pro XL shrinks slightly, but don't expect major changes to the display or battery, unless Google sneaks in silicon carbon battery tech. Under the hood, the Tensor G5 chip, built by TSMC, promises better efficiency and, hopefully, longer battery life. Also, the SIM tray is moving, possibly making room for better speakers. So, does the Pixel 10 need a new look? Maybe not. Apple's been tweaking the iPhone design for years, and people love the consistency. Plus, if Google keeps the dimensions close enough, your Pixel 9 cases might still fit. A small win for sustainability. More leaks and surprises are bound to drop soon, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you love Pixel updates, and I'll see you in the next one.